The price of fame. I sit with my skirt on the ground. I agree, forget rain. I agree, forget teach down. Cut me up, don't cut me down. Yeah, I wanna be. Hey brother, can you save my soul from the devil? Say, is it weird to like the way she wear her tights? And is it rude to wear my shades? Am I a freak because I love what you're wearing? Hey sister, am I good enough for your heaven? Say, will your God accept me in my black and white? Would he approve the way I'm made? Or should I be romantic for that? Yeah, let's flip it.